Hello everyone, we're from Group 4, will present material about anemia in pregnancy. Next slide. Okay, this is our members, Dewi Lestari, Hayatun Nisa, Muhammad Taufikur Al-Farid, Nurjendri Hadatul Aish, Nafa Widianti, Nurtiastia Ningsih, Salviana Putri Yolanda, Siti Rahma. Okay, next slide. Okay, during pregnancy, the body really needs good food intake for both physically and spiritually to flourish. Pregnant women usually have complaints of frequent fatigue, headache, sharpness of birth, pale face, and various other complaints. All these complaints are signs and symptoms of anemia during pregnancy. Anemia occurs due to low hemoglobin content during pregnancy. The incidence of anemia during pregnancy in Indonesia is quite high, which is around 67%. About 10 to 15% are classified as severe anemia. Severe anemia can affect the growth and development of the fetus in the womb. Okay, the next presentation will explain for Hayatun Nisa.
Anemia in pregnancy is the condition of pregnant women with hemoglobin levels less than 11 gram per cent in the first and second trimester, and less than 10.5 gram per cent in the third trimester. Anemia in pregnancy is referred to as a potential danger to mother and child. That's why anemia requires special attention by all parties involved in health service. The cause of anemia in pregnancy is due to iron deficiency in the body. Pregnant women are very susceptible to iron deficiency anemia because during pregnancy the need for oxygen is high, which trigger an increase in erythropoietin production, which results in increased plasma volume and increased red blood cells. However, the increase in plasma volume occurs in a greater proportion when compared to an increase in erythropoiesis, resulting in a decrease in the concentration of hemoglobin due to hemodilation. The next presentation will explain for Selviana Putri Yolanda.
Okay, thank you. Anemia is very influential in pregnancy because pregnant women who suffer from anemia will affect the fetus they contain and harm the mother. The effect of anemia in pregnancy can be fatal if not treated immediately, including miscarriage, premature labor, prolonged labor, uterine atony, and causing bleeding and shock. This is related to many influencing factors, including nutritional status, age, education, and occupation, while the effect of anemia on the outcome of conception, among others, can cause miscarriage, fetal death in the womb, fetal death at birth, high perinatal mortality, prematurity, and congenital defects. Based on this statement, the purpose of making this essay is to find out whether there is an influence between anemia and pregnancy in pregnant women which can have a negative impact on pregnancy, in addition to determine the risk factor for anemia in pregnancy and how to prevent anemia during pregnancy. Next presentation will explain for Tias.
Okay, next slide, please. Okay, next we will jump into mind body. Pregnancy begins with the meeting of the egg and sperm cells so that fertilization occurs, followed by implantation until the birth of the fetus. Pregnancy normally lasts 280 days or 40 weeks or 9 calendar months. The duration of pregnancy is calculated from the first day of the last menstruation, but actually fertilization occurs about 2 weeks after the first day of the last menstruation. So, pregnancy is the result of a meeting between egg cells and sperm with a gestation period of 9 months. Okay, the next presentation will explain for Dwi.
Okay, pregnancy is basically a natural physiological process. Pregnancy is a time when the body really needs maximum food intake, both physically and spiritual. However, in certain conditions, it can turn pathological, and if not treated properly, it can lead to an emergency that will threaten the life of the mother and fetus. Pregnant women usually complain of often treated headaches, so valves and various other complaints. Of these complaints are indication that the pregnant woman is suffering from anemia during pregnancy. During pregnancy, you must pay attention to nutritional needs, including physical and spiritual needs that must be met so that unwanted things do not happen. Okay, the next presentation will explain for Jihan.
Okay, I will continue the presentation. Anemia in pregnancy is the condition of the mother with hemoglobin less than 11 grams per cent in the first and third trimesters, while in the second trimesters, the hemoglobin level is less than 10.5 grams per cent. So anemia of pregnancy is called potential danger to mother and child. That's why anemia requires serious attention from all parties involved in health services. The cause of anemia in pregnant women is iron deficiency in the body. Pregnant women are very susceptible to iron deficiency anemia because during pregnancy, the oxygen demand is higher, which triggers an increase in erythropoietin production. As a result, plasma volume increases, the red blood cells or erythrocyte increase. However, the increase in plasma volume occurs in a greater proportion when compared to increase in erythrocytes, so that the decrease in hemoglobin concentration is due to hemodilution. Okay, the next presentation will explain for Nova.
Okay, thank you. Next slide, please. The effects of anemia in pregnancy can be fatal if not treated immediately, including miscarriage, premature labor, prolonged labor, uterine atony, and causing bleeding and shock. This is related to many influencing factors, including nutritional status, age, education, occupation, economic status, and compliance with FE tablet consumption. The importance of counseling for pregnant women both at the health center and in the field about foods that contain lots of iron, such, uh, such as moringa leaves, because moringa leaves contain folic acid, iron, potassium, vitamin C, vitamin B complex, calcium, and zinc, which are good for pregnant women and the fetus in the womb. Compliance and procedures for taking FE tablets also need to be improved as a response to anemia in pregnant women during pregnancy. The next presentation will explain for Kiki.
Okay, thanks, Nova. This essay shows that pregnant women are very susceptible to anemia. Anemia is the condition of pregnant women with hemoglobin levels less than 11 gram per cent in the first and second trimester, and less than 10.5 gram per cent in the third trimester. Iron deficiency anemia occurs because during pregnancy, the need for oxygen is higher, which triggers an increase in the production of erythropoietin. Anemia that occurs in pregnant women can have a negative impact on children and higher and mothers, such as causing miscarriage, bleeding, death in the womb, fetal death at birth, shock, premature, and congenital defect. The cause of anemia in pregnant women is iron deficiency in the body. Therefore, we as health workers have a role in the form of counseling so that pregnant women can be aware of anemia, so that pregnant women can now and consume food that are rich in nutrients, one of which is iron. In addition, pregnant women can also obediently consume Fe tablet during pregnancy. Okay, that's all for me. Hope you guys understand the matter what we bring today. If any question, please drop on your comment or unmute yourself. Thank you.